Stella, try one of these. They're so good.
Welcome to another delicious journey in the kitchen. Today, we're diving into a keto-friendly delight, cheese cauliflower tots. Start by cutting a small head of cauliflower into florets. Steam or boil until tender, then squeeze out excess moisture to avoid soggy tots. In a mixing bowl, mash the cauliflower to a rice-like consistency. Add shredded cheddar, Parmesan, almond flour, egg, parsley, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until well combined. Shape the mixture into small tots, brush with olive oil, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 to 25 minutes, you'll have golden brown, crispy tots. Plate them up, garnish with fresh parsley, and witness the crispy texture. Ready to taste. Give these keto-friendly cheese cauliflower tots a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. Happy cooking!
I like it too. I'm gonna forget it for school. Next time we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes on Valentine's Day.
Vanilla cupcakes on Valentine's Day.
Dummy, I'm amazing!
Cheesy?
I'm angry.